Today we are heading to Grand Canyon. It's a chilly morning. We'll use two means, by road and by rail. So from Phoenix to the railway station is about 2 hours and a half. We just drove for 1 hour and made a stopover at Humboldt town. It's a small town. Then when we get to the rail station, now we'll head to Grand Canyon. I just love how this town looks like. Just looks like the movies. It's an old town.
Fly out there and jump on that deck and say, this is mine.
The next stop will be at the railway station so that we can head to Grand Canyon. We have arrived at the train station. Now we are heading to the ticketing, then we board the Grand Canyon train. We are currently at the historic Williams Depot, located along the famous Route 66. The Grand Canyon Railway covers about 65 miles from Williams to the south rim of the Grand Canyon. The train has been carrying visitors to the Grand Canyon since 1901. This isn't just transportation, it's an experience filled with history, entertainment, beautiful scenery, and even a little Wild West adventure. Before boarding, there's already plenty happening around the station. Passengers usually arrive at least 1 hour early to check in, browse the gift shop, grab breakfast or coffee, and enjoy the lively Wild West atmosphere. Just before departure, professional cowboy performers stage an entertaining Old West gunfight outside the depot, setting the mood for the adventure ahead. We arrived a bit late and missed all the cowboy entertainment before departure. The ride takes approximately 2 hours and 15 minutes each way, giving passengers plenty of time to relax and enjoy the scenery. Yeah, it's the same.
It's the same.
One is
southbound.
left.
Here's this one right here. There you go. There you go.
Okay.
Up the stairs to the right.
Thank you. Those are number 17. You can sit anywhere.
I'm going to be your passenger service attendant for our trip to the Grand Canyon today. We do have a 2 hour and 15-minute run north. We should be pulling into the depot up there at 11:45. And along the way, well, heck, I'm going to be your educator, your entertainer, your concierge, your mom. I'm going to do it all for you to make sure you have a great time. Now, before we get too far, there's a few things I need to go over with you. The first thing is this. You probably noticed there's some people standing out on the platform waving at you. We have two classes of waivers out here. Most of the people back there in the depot who are waving are actually on the payroll. We call them paid waivers. I don't even make eye contact with them because it's part of their job description. And then you're going to encounter a number of volunteer waivers up and down our line, so you always want to wave back at them. Now there might be some individuals out here by the grade crossing waving at you. Maybe you saw them earlier this morning. I say wave at your own peril. That's the Cataract Creek gang. They're out there all smiling and waving at you, but they're really just casing the train for later this afternoon.
One thing I really like about this railway is that there are several classes of service to fit different budgets. The most affordable option is Pullman class. These are authentic 1923 railroad coaches with bench seating where passengers face each other and open windows during warmer months. They don't have air conditioning. They are perfect if you want a nostalgic train experience. Round trip for Pullman class is $70 for adults and $38 for children. Next is coach class, where many travelers choose to ride. These air-conditioned 1950s vintage coaches feature comfortable bench seating, large windows, access to the cafe, and attendance available throughout the trip. Current round-trip prices start at about $90 for adults and around $58 for children, although prices can vary depending on the season. First class offers oversized reclining seats with much more legroom. Complimentary snacks and soft drinks are included. Round trip fares are approximately $173 for adults and $132 for children. As we were walking around, access to first class was restricted. However, first class members can access other coaches. If you are looking for an even more luxurious experience, the railway also offers observation dome, luxury dome, and luxury parlor classes with panoramic windows and premium seating. It comes with complimentary refreshments and exclusive service. One of the best parts of this journey is watching northern Arizona unfold outside the window. The landscape changes constantly, from open high desert grassland into dense ponderosa pine forest. This isn't one of those silent train rides. Throughout the journey, talented musicians walk through each coach, performing country, western, and classic American songs, making the trip feel even more authentic.
I want to be nice special, shine a light on me. Be nice special, shine your love light on me. When you wake up in the morning, it's the same old thing. No food on the table, no place in the bed. Good deal, folks. Thank you so much. Thanks, Bill. You know, it's fun. I love coming out on this train. The two I had taught, oh, they live their lives in misery in the house of the rising sun. Oh, yeah.
The passenger attendants also share stories about the railway fascinating history, the surrounding landscape, and interesting facts about the Grand Canyon.
Yeah, from the 4 Western territories, they wanted to demonstrate their loyalty and their fidelity to the United States in the hopes that they would become full-fledged citizens and states.
If you get hungry during the trip, you can visit the cafe where snacks, soft drinks, coffee and other refreshments are available for purchase. Passengers are also free to walk between the train cars, stretch their legs, and enjoy different views during the ride.
To Prescott, and yes, we say Prescott, not Prescott. That's the dead giveaway to tell us you're not from here. If we hear you say Prescott, well, enjoy your stay here, folks.
Just over 2 hours, we finally arrive at the historic Grand Canyon Depot, one of the few remaining original railway depots inside the US National Park. Stepping off the train, it's only a short walk before you are standing at the edge of the most breathtaking natural wonders on Earth. Here we are at Grand Canyon National Park. The train took 2 hours 15 minutes from Williams train station. Right now we are at the National Park. We'll have to take a walk and head to the Grand Canyon. It's a bit chilly. It's cold. I had to bring my hood. People are freezing. I was not expecting Arizona to be cold because it's a desert, but it's cold. So there are two options of exploring the Grand Canyon National Park. You can either walk or you can use the shuttle. You can see the shuttle over here. You can use the shuttle for the grand tour. But for us, we are walking. We need to keep fit. Let's explore. Now, the coach that we had boarded, it was a class B. This is a first class. It has some windows, view areas where you can stand and see the scenery as you travel. This is the first class from the outside. But for us, we were in the second class. Then you also have a third class. That class doesn't have AC. I love this view. Wow. Grand Canyon. Passengers usually have about 3 to 3.5 hours to explore the southern rim before boarding the return train. Here we are at Grand Canyon, one of the 7th natural wonders of the world, just behind me.
Yeah, for 10 guys. Thank you. Thank you very much.
Put you at the bottom.
Thank you.
Wow. After an unforgettable visit to the Grand Canyon, it's time to head back to Williams. The return ride feels much more relaxed. Everyone has stories to share, hundreds of photos on their cameras, and memories they'll never forget. The train is ready to leave. It's already 3 p.m. at Grand Canyon National Park. So now the train is leaving and we are going to ride for 2 hours 15 minutes to Williams railway station. But wait, the excitement isn't over yet. On the return trip, the train suddenly comes to a stop. Out of nowhere, horseback riding outlaws or sometimes cowboys on foot depending on the day's performance appear and stage a classic Old West train robbery. Don't worry, it's all part of the show. The Cataract Creek Gang has been entertaining passengers for years, making the journey feel like you have traveled back into Arizona's Wild West days.
Looks like I'm going to die. I'll take that.
to? Yeah. Oh man, how many were there? 3. Which way did they go? That way. All right. Everybody's okay? Nobody got hurt? All right, so you lost a little money, but you didn't lose your dignity, right? Except for Johnny here, he was screaming like a little girl, wasn't he? You can wipe the tears away. I'm here, you're safe. So what do you think? They're going to jump off the plane? You think I'm going to catch them? What do you think? Well, if they jump off the plane, the Coyotes and Ravens will have a big dinner. But if I catch them, I'm taking them down to Yuma, Arizona. That's Parker. They get in front of Judge Parker, they're going to be moaning like a constipated bear. They're going to be cussing so vile and strip the paint off the church. But it's my job to catch them, so that's what I'm going to do. All right.
If you're planning to visit the Grand Canyon, I highly recommend taking the train at least once. Yes, driving is faster, but the Grand Canyon Railway transforms the journey into part of the adventure. It's a chance to experience Arizona the way travelers did over a century ago. I hope you enjoyed riding the historic Grand Canyon Railway with me. If this video helped you plan your trip or simply inspired your next adventure, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Stanley the Explorer, and turn on the notification because there are many more adventures across America coming soon. In the next video, I'll be showing you exclusively how the Grand Canyon looks like. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next adventure. Keep exploring.